Okay, welcome back masters to another video. If you haven't seen the previous video, which was AUD/USD, please check that out. So this video will be CAD franc, and I will explain the monthly structure, weekly structure, daily structure, and the 4-hour structure, not going into any lower time frame than that. Although if you're looking to enter any trades, then you would have to take smaller time frame demand and supply into consideration to get great positions. So let's get into it. This is the monthly chart for CAD franc, and as we can see from the left of the chart that we had a drop here, rally here, a drop here, but it didn't create a lower low here, so we cannot draw a trend line here. It has to create a lower low for us to initiate a downtrend. As we can see, the lower low was created here, so rule states we are allowed to draw a trend line. So up until here, we can see that the trend line is respected and things changed in this region. So from what we are seeing, price tested these lows here, had a hard time breaking these lows. Structure was range bound in this area for some time before a break of our trend, and we know that when we have a break of a downtrend, we have demand created, and price have been dropping. Momentum slowed down in this area, as we can see. So we had the break here, demand created here, push price up into lower time frame supply, made its way back down here to demand, as we can see, went back up into lower time frame supply, and made its way back down into our demand zone here, where we have the blue. So let's take a closer look into the market, going to the weekly time frame. So as we can see, first we need to determine the trend of the weekly. So as we can see, we have a demand level here, another demand level here, and we have our most recent demand level here, creating higher lows, as we can see. So we can draw a trend line. That's our trend. And as we know, where price is respected on the trend line, demand is created there. So we have the trend line here, we have demand here, trend line here, demand created here, trend line here respected, demand created here. And if price comes down into our demand zone here, price would be respected here. If it breaks the trend line, invalidating this demand level, then we would have supply created in this area for further downside. If it doesn't break the trend line, then the trend line would be respected and demand would be created here for further upside into supply. Now to the daily. Oh, my battery is about to die. Give me a minute. Where are you? There we go. Okay, yeah, sorry about that, guys. So yeah, so this is our daily. So as we can see, we had price reacted to our demands on here, went into supply, had resistance, in supply before price went back down here. So we have price approaching our demand zone here. Would it be a good idea to sell into higher time frame demand? If you had missed the trade, here it's too late to sell into demand. Would have sold up here. Best you way to buy in demand to go back up. So yes, that's the outlook for CAD franc for right now. So yes, let's see. Is this a we can't initiate this as a downtrend yet because we haven't had a lower low. If this created a lower low, then we can initiate a downtrend because we had lower time frame supply created. So we have to just wait. We have to wait and see. So yes, guys, that's it for CAD franc. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned a lot from this video, and thank you all for watching again. I appreciate you all so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.